Hey guys, it's me, Ninja431567, and today we're gonna be watching Jeffy Gets Glasses. Today I'm accompanied by my brother.
Hey YouTube!
This video is gonna be really fun. It's been a while since I uploaded. Sorry about that, but I had some work to do. We're getting packed up to leave.
We're not leaving YouTube, like, we're moving to another house, so we're not going to our same school, same nothing. So, me and Semo, we got some beef. Semo got some beef. He was roasting me on my brother's channel. You can go check that out on our video right now.
And also make sure to go check my brother's channel, Fire God. And let's get on with the video.
Jimmy, stop it! You don't point lasers at people's eyes. Why? Because you're gonna make people go blind.
What's blind?
It's when you see nothing but black.
Oh, so were we blind when we went through that neighborhood and you locked the doors and rolled up the windows?
No, Jeffy, no. I did that because it was raining.
But it was sunny outside.
No, Jeffy, no. Blind is when you can't see anything.
Oh. Ow. Ow.
Wait, Jeffy, stop it! Look, you're not playing with lasers. You probably just damaged your eye.
Hey there. Sorry to interrupt your little video here, but for legal reasons, I just have to come in and say, do not shine lasers in your eyes, okay? You will go blind, alright? Don't do what Jeffy just did. Don't shine lasers in your own eyes, or somebody else's eyes, or your dog's eyes, because they will go blind. Seriously. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you like seeing, do you like watching videos like this, or looking at colors, or playing video games? Well, if you do, then don't shine lasers in your eyes, because you will go blind. You'll never see anything ever again. Got it? You be careful with those lasers. Don't even play with lasers. Alright? And don't do drugs.
Oh, okay, let's do an eye test. Jeffy, what letter do I have on the top of my hat?
For zebra.
A zebra. Jeffy, no, it's a letter. It's the letter M. Okay, how many fingers am I holding up?
A glove?
No, Jeffy, I have 5 fingers. I'm gonna call a doctor.
But you're wearing a glove. Hey there. So you're finally ready to put him down, huh?
Wait, what?
The dog. He's paralyzed, so you're putting him down?
Wait, no, that's not why I called you. I called you because Jeffy shined a laser pointer in his eye, and I think he hurt his eyes.
Oh, so I won't really be needing this then. There we go. So what's going on?
Well, Jeffy, I think he hurt his eyes with the laser pointer, so I'm going to do an eye exam.
Oh, okay. I'll be right back. I'll get the stuff.
Hey, Jeffy, can you move your stupid dog?
Yeah, come on. What? All right, Jeffy. So for this first test, I'm going to show you a picture, and I need you to tell me what you see, okay? Okay. All right, Jeffy. Now, in this picture, do you see a big, fat bitch? Kinda? Kinda. You kinda see a big, fat cow bitch? Oh, okay, Jeffy. If you see her, how many fat rolls does she have? Count the fat rolls.
Wait, how's this gonna help?
Oh, it's gonna help, because if you can't see the fat cow in this picture, he is definitely blind. You can see this bitch from space. You see this picture? It was taken with the Hubble telescope.
Well, it looks like a nice wedding. It was on the beach.
Oh, yeah, he was on the beach in Honolulu, but people kept running up to me thinking that there was a beached whale. But no, I had to tell them that's just my wife.
Oh, did you fly to Hawaii?
Oh, I flew, but the plane had a weight limit, so old Shamu here just had to swim. Yeah, we had to lure her to the island with buckets of chum.
Oh, well, I mean, it looks like a nice wedding.
Oh, yeah, it was pretty nice. There were finger foods, but I mean, not for Deborah here. For her, they were more like fist foods, just grabbing fistfuls, At the table, everybody else had spoons, but not her. She had a shovel, and instead of a flower girl, we had a candy girl with a trick-or-treat bucket. We had to have a trail of treats just to lead her up to the altar. And instead of a bouquet, she had a bucket of chicken that she threw over her shoulder. But don't worry, nobody got any because she ate all the chicken. It was just an empty bucket.
Well, what about a wedding ring?
Oh, yeah, I got her a wedding ring. Yeah, it was an onion ring. See, she ate the engagement onion ring, so I got her another one. But don't worry, that one didn't last long either.
Well, why does she look happy in the picture?
Oh, yeah, she's just hungry. Yeah, there was a buffet across the street, so she's daydreaming in this picture.
Well, why don't you do the classic pick her up picture,
Because I like my back. I tried to rent out a crane, but I spent too much money on food.
Oh.
Yeah, so Jeffy, do you see the fat bitch? Okay. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go get the next test. Okay, get the next test.
I have one more question about your wife.
Okay, go ahead.
Did you have a nice honeymoon?
Oh, no, we didn't have a honeymoon. No, she just wanted a moon pie. And don't worry, she got it. She ate it all up.
Oh.
Okay, Jeffy. So okay? Okay. I-C-U-P. I'm hilarious. Hey, why are you watching me pee, you pervert? Oh my god.
Can you give him a real test?
Oh, it is a real test. Look, you learned the first 4 letters. All right, Jimmy. Can you read the bottom row for me? I can't see it. Okay, how about now? Oh, all right. So he does have some vision problems, but he's not totally blind.
What do you recommend?
I mean, do you really want my judgment? I mean, look what I married.
Well, no, like you're an eye doctor. Do you think he should have glasses?
I mean, sure, if you want him to get picked on. All right, I'll be right back. All right, there you go. Daddy, why am I gonna wear these?
Because...
4 eyes.
What was that for?
Oh, I'm just getting them ready. Hold on. Window face. Lady Gaga goggles. No sandwich with glass bread. Goggletron 3000. Kid from Stuart Little. And, Harry Potter.
Oh, okay, so why'd you do that?
Oh, well, see, now people can't pick on him because I already did.
Oh, well, thank you, I guess.
Oh, yeah, you're not going to be thanking me when you get my bill.
All right, Jeffy, it's time to take you to school. Come on.
All right, Daddy.
All right, class. Today we're gonna be learning why the Great Wall of China is so great. First of all, Big Wall was built to keep Mongolian out. Big stupid Mongolian tried to steal egg roll. Egg roll is sacred food in China, top of pyramid. So Big Wall built to keep Mongolian. Big stupid Mongolian out of our egg roll patches. Any questions?
Hey, nerd. Can you see into the future with those glasses?
You know what? Hold on, let me check. Oh, wait. Yeah, the future is telling me something. It says if you keep talking shit, you gon' get hit, bitch.
Well, we could fight, but I'd be picking glass out of my fist after breaking that windshield on your face.
Wait, come on in.
Oh, great, Jeffy, you broke your glass.
Oh, Daddy, the bully was making fun of me, so I had to beat him up.
Hey there, but... Oh, what happened to his glasses? Did my ex-wife sit on him? I'm just kidding. I know she wasn't here. I would have heard her leave. A-boom, 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 a-boom. Fat bitch.
Well, anyway, Jeffy's glasses are broke, so what are we gonna do now?
Oh, well, that's the only pair of glasses I had. Well, we could try contact lenses.
Contact lenses?
Yeah, they're like little glasses that you just stick in your eyes so you don't need glasses.
Oh, wait, that sounds like it hurts.
Oh, only the first time.
Do it in the butt.
Yeah, see, he gets it.
Okay, I guess we'll try contact lenses.
All right, I'll go get them. All right, this is a contact lens.
Wow, that's tiny.
That's what she said. Oh, that's sad. That is what she said.
Wait, how does it work?
Oh, well, we just stick this in his eye and then he can see better.
Okay.
All right, Jeffy, I'm gonna stick it in your eye. Is what I said to my ex-wife. Huh? I said that when I was putting in the contact lenses.
Oh, okay, well, you're alright, Jeffy. Hold still, you gotta put it in your eye.
Okay, here we go, Jeffy.
You're a filthy whore.
Jeffy, what's wrong?
He poked me in the eye.
Okay, the contact lenses are not gonna work, because Jeffy's gonna freak out.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Well, what are our other options?
Well, we tried glasses and we tried contact lenses, so I guess our only other option is LASIK eye surgery.
LASIK eye surgery, what is that?
Well, it's where we take these little lasers and we shoot them into his eye until he can see better.
Wait, lasers that fix his eye?
Yeah.
Well, because he hurt his eyes by shooting a laser in his eye.
Oh, really? I thought he went blind from looking at that picture of my ex-wife. She'll make anybody blind.
Well, LASIK eye surgery, does it hurt?
Jamal, tell him about your LASIK eye surgery. Yo.
Daddy, am I blind?
Did the LASIK eye surgery hurt?
No, my eyes were perfectly fine. Yeah. Where is your shirt? Go put a shirt on. Get out of here. Yeah.
Who's that?
It's my friend's kid. I'm watching him for the weekend. It's a whole thing. But see? LASIK eye surgery doesn't hurt.
Alright, so I guess we'll do that then.
All right, Jeffy, let's go to the bathroom.
All right.
What's taking so long? What's up, doctor?
I lost him.
You lost him?
Yeah, I lost him.
Jeffy's dead?
So that video was very funny. I really liked it.
Yeah, I liked it too, though.
Yeah, thank you for accompanying me.
Hold on, wait, let's split falls.
No, Jeffy, no, I did that because it was raining.
There we go.
So what I was trying to say was I really liked that video, and thank you for accompanying me, Poke.
It's alright, man. I'll hop in anytime.
So I guess I'm gonna have to end the video. It's a good spot to end it here.
Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, though.
Make sure to subscribe, click the notifications,
And leave that little bell.
and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.